Welcome back to another video of summer outfit ideas. For first outfit you can try brown polo t-shirt with white pants and brown loafers. Next you can try green half sleeve shirt with tan pants and grey sneakers. Next you can try blue full sleeve t-shirt with white pants and white sneakers. Next you can try tan half sleeve shirt with black jeans and white sneakers. Next you can try beige shirt and pants with beige slippers. Next you can try black oversized t-shirt with tan cargo pants and black sneakers. Next you can try blue half sleeve shirt with black pants and white sneakers. Next you can try black polo t-shirt with black pants and white sneakers. Next you can try orange pattern shirt with grey pants and cream loafers. Next you can try off-white half sleeve shirt with black pants and white sneakers. Watch this video to know 35 black pants outfit ideas.